This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enter the Fastboot mode on this device. So first you will need to switch your tablet off by holding the side power button and tapping at the power off option. I now accidentally cancelled it, so let me redo it real quick. Once the tablet is switched off entirely, you'll need to boot yourself into recovery mode, which is being done through simultaneously pressing and holding the volume up and down keys as well as the power button, and then once you see the BLACKVIEW logo, let your finger off the power key, but keep holding the volume up and down button. So it will look something like that. So press and hold them simultaneously. Once you see the BLACKVIEW logo, release the power button and keep holding the volume rocker until the recovery mode appears. Here it is. Now look for the Enter Fastboot mode. By the way, you can obviously navigate with the volume keys, and to confirm, tap the power button. So select the Enter Fastboot option, then press the power button, and from here you can proceed by rebooting to bootloader, entering recovery, rebooting system now, and powering the device off, and just proceed with whatever task you had on your hand. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.